A huge thank you to the Unexpected Vlogs, to influencers Gabby DiMartino, Trisha Paytas, Lauren Godwin, Kindle Sands and Dritty for their experiences using our Dream Love 1000 Attraction Perfume from England.
So one of my closest friends told me about this perfume called Dream Love 1000. I'm not sponsored. I'm just letting you guys know something crazy that I'm about to do in this vlog. And so it's a perfume that makes guys like attracted to you. It like heightens their libido, and it's full of pheromones and stuff that makes you attracted to someone. And we went to the bar and all these guys would not stop going up to her, and so my other friend got it and she went on a Tinder date and she was blowing up our group chat about how this guy is all over her, so she smells so good.
But I do like this perfume.
Thank you.
I think it's really nice.
I'm gonna pack the perfume for Paris because I feel like you like it.
I do like it actually. It smells really good.
Thank you.
Smell it.
It smells good.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
That's
What is that? Why does it make me happy? It's so weird.
That's what I sprayed today.
What?
You liked it?
What is it? I don't get it though.
Like you said, do you have a different scent? Like, do you want to try a new smell? And this is what I tried. Do you like it?
So you brainwashed me?
I didn't brainwash you.
hypnotized me?
It was the perfume.
The perfume hypnotized me?
I mean, I got some shopping done. I got you.
I don't know, I guess it works, you guys.
Piece of shit. What?
I guess it works. I guess the real test
Guys,
would be...
I don't know what this is, but it smells freaking good.
Yeah, I'm not getting sponsored. Like, I honestly thought Gabby was getting paid. We're just like selling the shit out of this perfume, but it's not anyone's.
It says Dream Love 1000.
Oh, Jimmy.
I don't know, I think it works.
Bam.
BAM!
Something that I found to be irresistible for my man. And it has this like ingredient, this thing in it, this compound in it that that's like proven to make your man more, not more attracted, but like more sensual and just like, you know.
Over 5 million real experiences for the last 21 years since 1998. Dream Love 1000, a fragrance with attraction.